Okay, so as you can see, I've been taking on about 5 or 6 gallons of water a day. I rigged up a temporary bilge pump just to get rid of this water and keep the boat from sinking in my absence. And I piped it out the sink through hole. I've been searching for this leak, and it's isolated in the area under the keel. So originally I thought it was the centerboard bolts, and then I thought it was the centerboard tube right here, which is in bad shape. I need to replace this anyway, so we're going to do that tomorrow. I'm going to pull it out and do it. But you know, I'm still looking, and I can't figure out where this water's coming from. So I came in here last night and I removed the stairs and I started poking around, and lo and behold, there she is. That's about 5 or 6 gallons a day, maybe more, coming in. So I think I'm going to pull it tomorrow and run this pipe. This is muffler, marine muffler pipe. I'm going to run it all the way back and encapsulate that and at least get through the season with it.